Kia ora. Today we're going to look at personal pronouns. These are an important foundation in learning Te Kōrero Māori. You'll find a link to this worksheet in the description panel below. You commonly hear me or I pronounced in two ways, ho or ahau. Kei te kai au, I am eating. Kei te tuhi au, I am writing. Māua, us two, excludes the listener. I te waiata, māua I ngā waiata, we, us two, we're singing songs. I te piki māua, we, us two, we're climbing. Mātou, all of us, excludes the listener. I haere mātou ki te pikitia, we, all of us, went to the pictures. Ka tīmata mātou ki te oma, we, all of us, started to run away. Koe, you, one person. Kei te ia koe, how are you feeling? Kia aha te kaipai ki a koe, what food do you like? Korua, you, two people. Kei te hiki korua I ngā poro, you two are kicking the balls. Me haere atu korua, you two had better go. Koutou, you, three or more people. Haere mai koutou, come here all of you. Me haere atu koutou, you all had better go. Taua, you and I, we two or us. Me haere taua ki ngā toa, you and I should go to the shops. Me mahi tahi taua, you and I work together. Tātou, you and I, we, us, more than two people. Kei te aha tātou, what are we all doing? E tunu pārehi ana a Raori mā tātou. Raori is cooking a pizza for all of us. Ia, he, she, him, her. Used when referring to someone other than the speaker or the listener. Kei te noho ia, he, she is sitting. Kei te peke ia, he, she is jumping. Raua, they or them. Used when you are referring to two people other than the speaker or the listener. Kei te kani raua, those two are dancing. Kei te oma raua, those two are running. Rātou, they or them. Used when you are referring to three or more people other than the speaker or the listener. Kei te noho rātou, those three are sitting. Kei te kani rātou, those three are dancing. You can find other videos if you search up EduCost links under YouTube. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to be updated on new videos. Ka kite anō.